by conjunction there. Yes, we're up in the loft again. The loft has turned back into a work zone, and I'll show you for why. It's been raining down here the last few days, so I spent quite a bit of time up in the loft. So let me show you what I've been up to. Well, as you can see, the loft has turned that into a workshop again. We've got wood up here. Look, threaded bar. Threaded bar. What does he want that for? But here's the first bonus. Look at this. Somebody give me a beautiful stereo. Let me see if it'll go. Ready? I better stop it because I'll look at that. Beautiful stereo. And look what else I've been up to. Oh yes, of course, running trains, without a doubt. Let's have a look up here, see what else I've been up to. And now I've got the loft painted, I can put up some of my flyers, tickets and other stuff. I've got these 4 really long planks. They're 240mm wide, and you'll see what the threaded bar's for now. As I put these shelves up, there's only 2 up so far to put my trains, locomotives on. Here's the threaded bar holding it up to the ceiling. My homemade bracket there. So this is the work in action. Some 9Fs, even a Hornby 00. But I've got another shelf going here. So it's going to start with Hornby 00, Wrenn, Triang, Hornby Triang and Hornby and anything else I've got. And over here I've got another shelf up. Showing some of my locomotives, old and new. But look, just look at it. Look what a mess. So hopefully I can get this all sorted now. Blackmore Vale waiting to come on the shelf, and there's still 2 boxes of it down there as well. So hopefully I can get all my coaches laid out, all my trucks laid out somewhere, somehow, and I'll show you when I finished it what the end result is. Started putting some of my memorabilia up. And look at these lovely posters. And as I live in Dover, I had to get a Hellfire corner. I was showing all the guns and the batteries and the anti-aircraft guns around the area. So hopefully this will sort all this lot out now. Catch you in a minute. Some more progress. I made a start. I put up some of my railway tickets. Some of these are very, very old. Dover Priory, Folkestone Central, 11 pennies. Back in 1973. East Grinstead, Kemsley Down, Sittingbourne. Platform ticket for Crewe, was that on Nene Valley, Bentley Valley, Bentley Miniature Railway. I've got some more to put up. East Somerset, Cranmore Velta, yes. Oh, then look along here. Oh, look at this one. This is one for Chris. Nash Point Car Park, £3. Now then, let's move along here. I've started to put up all the cards that I've been given. We've got Simon Trains, Chobberton Tony, Partick Hill, Charlie, Brian, I think that's Dino, isn't it? Dino, Paul and Paris, Chris 56XX, going to the dogs. Is that Paul? I forget now. Graham, Leamington Station, Alan Dragon Junction, Brian Finnerton, Pete Delphi. I'm not sure on this one. Maybe somebody can tell me. Anthony Dodge, Route 7 Railway, not sure. Robin Grace, Piccadilly Model Railways, Peter Jackson Tudor Heath, of course Timber Surf, and we've got Haunted Railway, which I think is Jake. Look at that, isn't that looking nice? Why in the loft earlier today, I heard a knock on the door. It's Posty. I think I know what this is. Hopefully that's what I'm thinking of. Oh, nicely wrapped. Oh, very nicely wrapped. What we got? Number one. We got, wow, very well wrapped. These are all Wrenns. Utility van brown. That's one. What else we got? Oh, another one. It's so well wrapped. Parkwood, Southport, mineral wagon. Two. I got this in the middle of the night for a wonderful price. Oh, we've got three here. Three here. And these are all Wrenn, all of them. I do like Wrenn. Oh, look at that. Cerebos salt. Well, that's heavy. It's got a die-cast chassis. What else we got? Oh, I hate cling film. These are quite old. This is another die-cast chassis. J. Blee and Son. Coal Merchants Barnsley. Yeah, they're all metal chassis, these three. Higgs, London. It'll run nicely. Is that it? Oh, that's it. But, that's a nice little hoard, wasn't it? I want to run some Wrenn only trains as a you know, a rake of wagons. I want them all Wrenns, pulled by a Wrenn when I get the sidings sorted. So, right, back to the loft. Here it is on eBay. 5 wagons, 20 quid. I mean, you can't go wrong, can you? And that's the purchase history. This is the actual wagons that I've just opened. So yeah, I like little deals like this in the middle of the night. Right, this is a Wrenn. Let me just see if I can zoom in a bit more. That's better. Yeah, this is a very old Wrenn, and it's done years of service with me. And now comes the recent. Come on now, come on, don't be shy. That's the CCT, I think. in a brown. I've never had a brown one before. That's the J. Bly & Co. Barnsley Coal Merchants. Higgs, London. More coal. I've no idea what Park Ward was, but from Southport. Now then, I think the sticker's on the other side of this. I should have put it on round the other way. And that's the last of the recent buys. And a couple of weeks ago I managed to buy that one. South Down of York. I don't know what that's meant to be in the back, but it's white. And then we've got Carter Aggregates here. One darling. So that's my new additions to my Wrenn collection. All on die-cast chassis, well, most of them, all these wagons are. And they're a CCT or parcels van in brown. I'm not sure, yeah, it is in brown, isn't it? I don't think it's been painted. And of course my lovely little Wrenn there. So I'm going to end this video here as part one, because I've still got a lot of work up here to do in the loft. So let's finish off with a run session. There's my lovely Wrenn 08. Alright, that's so we can... Oops. There comes noisy. Oh darling. Oh, everything at once. Well, I'm going to call that a day because I'm sure this video is getting extra long, and part 2 will be a long when I finish the shelves. So please hit the like button. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your support. Catch you on the next one. Alan out. Take care. Bye.